Hello, my name is Asya Putri Salsabila. NIM 44240119. Opinion, Indonesia versus Bahrain. The match between Indonesia and Bahrain yesterday became a highlight for soccer fans, especially Indonesian supporters, because from what we know, the Indonesian national team is trying to improve the quality and consistency of players. From yesterday's match, we can see the development in terms of strategy and teamwork both by coach and players. As we can see yesterday, the coach from Indonesia has applied tactics that are more structured than previous games. Players also seem to understand their respective roles on the field. Bahrain, which is one of the toughest opponents in Asia, provides its own challenge for Indonesian players. Bahrain also showed a team that was consistent in pressing the Indonesian defense. It became one of obstacles to the Indonesian national team. This match is an event to test the discipline, sportsmanship, and physical endurance of players. With Bahrain's strong defense, Indonesian players must be aware of the fast counter-attack that will be carried out by Bahrain players. This is a challenge for Indonesia to be fast and keep their position to keep the fast counter-attack that will be launched by Bahrain. On the other hand, there are many pros and cons that are being watched not only from supporters of the Indonesian national team, but many countries that suspect fraud due referee decisions that are considered unsportsmanlike. To one of the team's many football observers are increasingly suspecting this fraud, considering this is a 2024 World Cup qualifier. Many negative comments from Indonesian supporters aimed at the referee that the referee's decision is inconsistent in terms of violation committed by Bahrain to Indonesia. It makes a loss to the Indonesian national team because it is not considered a mistake. Many on social media also that the referee of Indonesia versus Bahrain manipulated the score with the addition of time where many soccer observers, not only from Indonesia, but from several countries, comment on the additional time given by the referee was unfair because the new time was stopped when Bahrain soccer a goal became a pro contra on social media. In terms of observers and football fans, this of course benefit one party. Okay, let's. My name is Asya Putri Salsabila. Name 44240119. Class 54, 1 age 37. And today we are going to learn how to form the simple present tense. Simple present tense is a tense in English used to talk about actions that are happening now, things done regularly or even planned from the future. Simple present tense is one of the most commonly used tenses in everyday life. And we use simple present tense for 1. Routines and habits. Example, I eat breakfast every day. They go to crunch on Sunday. Next, 2. Fact and truth. Example, water boils at 100 degrees. Bogota is the capital of the Colombia. 3. For schedule event. Example, the bus leaves at 8 a.m. The English class began at 7 a.m. Next, how to conjugate sentence. Subject can be pronouns or name. Subject plus verb 1 plus complement or object. First and second person, we use a bare verb. Example, I work, you work, we work, they work. Next, third person, we add an s to the verb. She works, he works, it works. Remember the spelling of the verb in the third person because it is different depending on the ending of that verb. For verb that end in O, ch, sh, double s, x or z, we add es in the third person. Go, bus, catch, catches, was, wasses, kiss, kisses, fix, fixes, quiz, quizzes. Next, remember in third person. If the verb ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a wolf, A, I, U, E, O. You add only an S. Example, play, plays, enjoy, enjoys, buy, buys. Can add only an S. Next, if the verb ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, B, C, D, F, blah, 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 you change the Y to EES. Example, studies, studies, fly, flies, cry, cries. Next, simple present tense have a from sentence. How to form sentence? There are three forms of sentence and they are positive, negative, and interrogative. Next, positive. Formula positive, subject, verb 1, and object. I like cheese. She like cheese. I subject, like, verb 1, cheese, object. She like cheese. She subject, like, verb 1, cheese, object. Okay, next, negative. The formula subject plus do not or does not plus verb 1 plus object. Do not for I, you, we, they. Does not for she, he, it. They eat an apple. They subject do not, do or does not eat verb 1 and apple object. He drink a cup of coffee. He subject does not do or does not drink verb 1 a cup coffee object. Next, formula to interrogative. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Do for I, you, we, there. Does for she, he, it. We eat an apple. Do we eat an apple? Do, do, do or does. We subject, eat verb 1 and apple object. She drink a cup of coffee. Does, do, she subject, drink verb 1, cup of coffee object. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope you got something useful from what I said. And see you the next time. Bye bye.